is there a discussion between Kouri Richins, True Stage?
Yes.
And in this particular case, they're talking about both policies, aren't they?
Yes.
Okay. That is the policy, the $250,000 policy, as well as the more recent 100,000.
Yes.
Okay. Then on May 4th, is there another communication in this notes with Kouri Richins?
Yes.
What's happening in that communication?
We received a call from Ms. Richins, and she wanted the status of the claims. And so we provided the status and informed her that we received a pending death certificate, but we would also need the final death certificate.
I see. And in this case, the person taking these notes is saying DC, meaning death certificate.
Yes.
Okay. So it's still pending. So on June 7th, another communication?
Yes.
Involving Kouri Richins?
Yes.
So in June 7th, does True Stage receive the death certificate?
We did receive the final death certificate that day.
And what does it say the cause of death was?
Drug intoxication, fentanyl.
Okay. So on June 14th, does True Stage talk to Kouri Richins about they now have a death certificate?
Yes, we did.
And so what is the question of Kouri?
The question was if the drug fentanyl was prescribed to Eric Richins, and that's important because the $50,000 accidental death benefit rider as well.
Excuse me, just one second. That extra 50,000 is
Extra.
on top of the $250,000
Yes.
policy.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, continue. I'm sorry.
It provides an provision and an exclusion where the prescription would need to have been provided by a doctor and administered on the advice of a doctor in order to be payable.
Okay, and the person writes some notes about what Kouri Richins told them.
Yes.
Okay, and what does Kouri Richins say?
She said that the fentanyl was not prescribed, and she also added that she doesn't know how her husband got that.
Okay. The next day, Kouri Richins called again.
Yes.
Okay, and what was stated in that conversation?
It was the same thing that she provided us, that the drug was not prescribed.
Okay.
And that she doesn't know where it came from.
Okay. On June 21st, did she call again?
Yes.
And asking about a status?
She did.
And what did you guys tell her?
We told her that the $250,000 claim was paid, but the most recent claim, the $100,000 claim, was still being reviewed.
Okay. And why was it still being reviewed?
That was a brand new policy. And so whenever we have a death that occurs within 2 years of the effective date of coverage, it becomes a contestable claim, which just means that we will review the application questions and the insured's medical history to be sure that the answers were accurately answered.
So looking at what